The embattled members of parliament and their legal teams rushed to the Supreme Court this morning to file their notice of appeal after they disagreed with last week's ruling.
We've given instructions to our lawyers, and we've been here at the Supreme Court filing our appeal, and also filing for an interim order to see that the execution of the orders granted by the Court of Appeal are stayed immediately.
The rebel MPs, as they are known, have also written to the Speaker of Parliament requesting her to disregard any decree presented to her office without their approval.
All the orders that they were purporting to be putting up must be considered by the Supreme Court.
The move was countered by the Attorney General's decree to the same authority, instructing the House to treat the 4 MPs as strangers.
Accordingly, they are not supposed to receive salaries with effect from 21st of this month. They are not supposed to access their offices at Parliament. They are not supposed to step in Parliament. They are not supposed to surface anywhere.
We've been there in Parliament. That is not what we are agitating for. They decided to kick the ball in the legal way, and we shall play it there. For sure and for certain, there is no need for us to force our way into anything.
The ruling party lawyer has also moonshined the MP's letter to the Speaker of Parliament.
A letter from a law firm cannot overturn a judgment. This was just a letter from a law firm writing to the Speaker saying, please don't accept that order, don't accept that decree, don't act on it because we were in the Supreme Court.
The legislators say they have hope in the Supreme Court, which also issued an injunction that blocked their forced exit from Parliament until their matter is disposed of in courts of law.
These are people who are working for God. And they are not, yes, he can say, I appointed you, but now they are answerable to God, the source of justice.
The politicians have also warned the Electoral Commission against heeding the Constitutional Court directive of organizing a by-election, a matter that is also yet to be determined by the Supreme Court.
Conduct the elections henceforth. It's very regular, it's against the procedures, it's against the law, it's against the Constitution and all the relevant laws.
According to sources, another legal team acting on behalf of the MP spent the day preparing a comprehensive appeal to the Supreme Court with a bias on the issues in the Constitutional Court ruling that they are opposed to.